What's up guys, Express here, back with another video. Now in this video we have a long awaited top 5 designs of the month of August, of course. We had a lot of submissions again in the Discord, and yeah, we had a lot of submissions and I'm excited for this month. If you want to join top 5 designs, join the Discord. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the designs. Let's go with the first one. The first one, we have a Mixo design, a Mixo 3D text, but I love the colors, love the 3D text. I think it's really nice. It's simple but really nice. I love that he has also the logo on the right side as well. I love the color scheme. I'm a big fan of purple and blue gradient, very nice. Love the paper texture in the back as well. I think this is an overall nice, clean, simple design. The 3D text, I think the shadows are a bit too dark for my liking. Love like the brush effects, like the splattered brush on the text as well and behind the text as well. Just love it in general. I thought this was really nice made and really well deserved to be in the top 5 designs. So yeah, check him out on Twitter and Behance. Can't wait for more designs of him in the future. But up to the second one, we have Den. Den is back at it again. Den has been in top 5 designs before and he's back at it again. Awesome Snowy Worlds header from Travis Scott, of course. I'm a big fan of Travis as well, of his music, of course. So I thought this was really nice. Love the text, like the text is custom and love it. Love the background. The background has so many details. He has also made like a header with all the details highlighted, so I'll show you that as well. It's really nice to check all these details and what he put into it and what kind of effort he did. Anything I have to say on this? Not really. I like this. This is absolutely amazing, and I'm interested in making something similar. I don't know. Go like his header post, of course. I think it's on like 600 likes. It deserves more. Up to the next one, we have an animated one. I thought this was very cute, very nice. This from Nico Nyon. I have no idea. This header is really clean and simple, and I like that. I like that there's not too much going on and still it's looking nice. The colors are very nice in my opinion. Nice vibrant green going on there. And I just love it. It's clean, simple. Banners don't always have to be like very busy in my opinion, even though the previous one was very busy. This one is very cute and very nice. Go check him out on Twitter, of course, as well, if you want to see more of his work. So up to the fourth one, we had Depth. He is an Evangelion header. I think that's very nice. Love gradients, and he's also used gradients in this one. I've seen some of his work now, and I think he has a really nice style, and I really like this like hexagon pattern going on here, and like the gradient as well. Just love it. It's again simple in my opinion, but simple and nice. Love the text. Go check him out on Twitter. Deserves some likes. And the last one, but not least, we have Saito. Saito as well has been on top 5 designs before, but I really liked his Red Hood header. I'm a big fan of Red Hood. Can't wait for the game Arkham Knights to come out. Want to play that, of course. Big fan of Batman in general, so I thought this was a really well-deserved top 5 design entry, of course. I love the text as well, like the 3 fonts and then the gun going through the first font. Love that. Not a big fan of the massive text on the bottom, but that is just my opinion. I love the comic style text above the gun. I think that's a nice touch to it. I love the paper texture. It fits the comic style that he was going for. But yeah, those were the top 5 designs. I hope you enjoyed this month submissions. Submissions or winners, I guess. If you haven't won top 5 design, don't worry. There's always another month that you can join. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, do more if you want. And as always, see you guys in the next one. Peace.